Yes, this is the cutting edge parody with there with you on next Wednesday. Boy, I can't even say it warm again in the Rasta because it war, I tell you it hot in the Rasta, you know. This summer you hot in the bridging. Me I tell you Rasta. Boy, me have to look beside me if the devil there beside me, you know, because me I say what the hell is this? The most hell me the Rasta. In the middle of the hurricane season, you don't hear about a system out, you know, even though that come with different worries still, but we are saying at the middle of the hurricane season. You know, the sun hot, but meanwhile the sun hot and the sun are shine, but things not bright. Because we are look in at the hospital them, and we see people that suffer. I was see in the Cornwall regional hospital in Rasta, people all asleep on the floor. People in a 2023 Rasta in a Jamaica, people asleep on hospital floor. One of the major hospitals them in a Jamaica, we see people asleep on floor Rasta, and another one and another two people they pan cheer. How really are go on in the country, Rasta? Something like healthcare was supposed to be so accessible and comfortable in your sickness, in your illness, Rasta. Boy, we are telling you, it's like when you go to the hospital to get better, you get worse, started. I don't know. How is it possible that in these modern times we are see people asleep on hospital floor, Rasta? You can imagine the germs and bacteria where them people they are contracting at the hospital. Now your family member sick, are you sick? Are you go to hospital to get better? You can't get a bed, Rasta. You go in there one way and you come out worse. Boy, brethren, it's better them send you to the morgue in Rasta. Because there's no hospitality in Jamaican hospitals. Them take the hospital out of hospitality and left with the ET or the IT and a lot of the fancy cat need, you know, because no fancy about the hospital them, Rasta, we tell you. And to think that the government has spent over 14 billion. You hear me say 14 billion, not millions, you know. $14 billion on this hospital down at Montego Bay, St. James. Really. Them budget for spend 10.5, you know, billion, you know, 10.5 billion. And them increase it now to 14 billion, over 14 billion, 14.1 billion. We have all put in the one, you know, because 1.1 billion, you know, is really 100 million, and that is a lot of money. So we can not count or discount 1 red cent, Rasta. If you think that the government has spent so much money upon a hospital, me I wonder where the money I go, Rasta. Boy, I don't know. I'm to see the people them asleep on the floor, Rasta. It's boy, it's a travesty. I will see somebody. Of course, them are gonna come out with a public statement or a comment, because we are seeing on the paper a brother we in charge. One of the big wigs them down under the hospital there, down at Cornwall, I say, these people that you see sleeping on the floor, him almost say no real people there, but we know I misquote him, you know, but that me I get from what him say, you know. Because he must say these people that you see sleeping on the floor, they are actually social cases. Now, brethren, listen, man. Once you have people, you know, there's a social element to everybody. But what I must say is that these people are not actual patients. Some of them are outpatients, meaning people will get discharged from the hospital, and because them don't have anywhere to go, them dip on the floor on the chair, Rasta. And the rest of them is homeless people who don't have nowhere to sleep and sleep in the streets, so them come in at the hospital. Now, that is some bullshit, because here we know that does not make it any better. You understand what I say, Rasta? I will know over the years the hospital them a struggle for bed and all type of thing. But we are say the hospital must have a sense of hospitality and responsibility. I wanna say the people them, because sometimes you have family members who really and truly left them family at the hospital for extended times in a Rasta. But there must be a facility within the hospital to host them for a while in a more hospitable and human and humane conditions. You can't have them asleep on the floor, Rasta. What is this? And we are talking about Vision 2030. Which glasses we are wear to see this vision, Rasta? We don't realize here 2023 we in and we have 7 years to go to this Vision 2030. It's like we don't need a telescope or a binoculars, because we not see nothing through this lens when we give about this Vision 2030 in a Rasta. A 2020 vision we have as humans, and the year 2020 done gone already, and we don't see no improvement from then till now. So we don't know how we are going to see improvement in 2030 if we not see improvement now. Because furthermore, the health minister say 47% of machines and equipment in hospitals, they are not working. You heard me say a while ago. 47% of machines and equipment in hospitals are not working. So that means maybe the X-ray machine, the MRI machine, the heart machine, them not work. So when you go to hospital now to get treatment, Rasta, there's a almost 50% chance that the machine where you going to rely upon is not working. So chances are you can't get treatment. Dog nyam your supper, and dog will nyam your supper, because we see the dog them are run up and down in these hospitals in Rasta. Yes, dogs, rats, places like KPH and them places in Rasta. So these are the major hospitals in Jamaica: Kingston Public Hospital and Cornwall Regional Hospital. And if them a struggle, so if them is in such disarray, you can imagine a smaller hospital, Rasta. Virgin, we I tell you, it don't look good, Rasta. It don't look good. No, it's not the time to get sick. But then again, no, it's the time to get sick, because the food where them a give away, they make it so hard for we buy food. So one way or the other, Rasta, we see people get gunshot from left, right, and center. So some way, somehow, we have to go to the hospital. But anyway, I'm glad my granny grew me good, so me know the bush them still, but we still know say a lot of people have to rely upon the hospital, Rasta. I don't know what is going on in this place, Rasta. Health. A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. Do you understand what I say? Them say your health is your responsibility. But whose responsibility are the hospitals in this country? You understand what I say, Rasta? Because after your health has been compromised, the only place that can restore it is the hospital. But when the hospital themselves are compromised, who is going to restore the hospital, to restore your health. This is the cutting edge parody with KOOL T, the voice of Mutabaruka. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. We're there with you.
Reggae MYLITIS. So the button, the people, make sure you like this.